You are looking at an ultraviolet lamp manufactured by us, designed to replace the Wedeco I40720 lamp of Bactericidal units. This is a low-pressure mercury ozone-free quartz UV lamp. Lamp labeling options are listed on its page on the website. Characteristics. The lamp has 2 ceramic bases with 4 pins on one side. The power is 80 watts. Operating current 0.75 A. The power of UV radiation is 32 W. Dimensions. The length of the lamp is 880 mm. Arc length 800 mm. The diameter of the tube is 17 mm. The diameter of the plinth is 23 mm. Service life 16,000 hours. All technical parameters can be found in the lamp passport. Each of our lamps is securely packaged in a cardboard tube with extra soft protection inside. We guarantee safety on delivery and free replacement in case of damage. We always have in stock all kinds of components for all types of bactericidal systems: lamps, quartz covers, power supplies, gaskets and connectors. The inner surface of all our lamps is coated with a special UVL-I40720 Power Plus compound developed by our engineers. It prevents the mercury molecule from penetrating into the quartz glass, prolonging the efficiency of the lamp life. You can order this lamp and other equipment by filling out an application form on the website or by calling us on the phone.